I watched a video on YouTube on how to build snow ramps because I was just digging the other day and trying to set this whole park up, and they were saying that there's a procedure. You kind of want to go on the edges first and do the perimeter and then fill in the middle, and then you also want to add salt, sea salt. Sea salt keeps the ramp packed in, actually makes the snow heavier and allows the snow to sink in and get more packed in. It's actually way more efficient than just packing it with the shovel. So I'm just literally sprinkling sea salt around the entire park. We got a bunch of stuff going on today, trying to set this park up and actually see if we have pretty much a snow skate park for a scooter. Don't have too many options right now. Snow's not going anywhere. It's really cold. It's 15 degrees and it's supposed to snow more the next week. So instead of just sitting and waiting, we gotta try to figure things out. I got a couple ideas for videos. If you guys are subscribed to the channel, then you're already ahead of the game. If not, make sure you do. I got plenty of videos that are gonna be fun for you to watch and actually gonna be a learning experience in case you are in the same situation as me and you're on the East Coast or you're somewhere cold or you just have limitations with riding and weather and environment. Keep watching, subscribe, like the video. Let's continue to set this whole park up. We are looking good. Check this out. We got tracks. You want to hit the fly out? You're going this way. You want to hit the rail, which is kind of sketch because it's hard to turn. You're going this way. We got the Maloof Winter Olympics in session. Had to set this thing up good. Obviously it's gonna look better in the thumbnail to just add some color because it's hard to kind of see what ramps look like because there's no contrast in color. We got a little bit of the color on the ramps. You can see we got it rolling up here. Props to the guys Chris and his homies for making this roll, and they use a garbage can. And we got this going right here. They made this one on the side. They were hitting this rail on the snowboards. I'm not sure if they're gonna pull up today. Hopefully they will. And then we got this one that I made myself using their rolling, going down over this hump to get more speed and then straight jump into the hubba. Then we got the other one right here, which is the 9-stair drop right here. It's 9-stair runway going down right here, another hump just to get some speed, and then straight to the fly out or mani pad right off the drop. I didn't want to get the color on top of the mani pad. It's just gonna be strictly on the snow. That way when it melts, it's gone. We're gonna do this one second. I'm gonna go hit to the 9 rail, try to do a couple of tricks going down over that hump, the fly out, try to use it as a mani pad. Let's have some fun at a homemade snow skate park. This is sick. This setup is fun. The bump in the middle is a little weird because you can't really go up it. A little too short. I made this part too steep so you can see it digging in. I just want to try everything first and then see if we can come up with some ideas, some new tricks. And I would like to trick into this. So trick into a 9-stair. Woo! If we can only bring this like a good mountain or have a nice kicker or a ramp or something, like I really feel comfortable on this thing. I just don't have the proper ramps. These are all built from nothing, and it's kind of tough when you don't have too much speed using stairs as a hill, but it's fun. I'm having a crazy fun time, and I hope you're learning from this, because if you have a snow scooter or if you're somewhere and you want to buy those snow ski attachments and you don't really have a mountain or anything near you too, you can just build this. We built all this by hand. Well, not by hand, with a shovel. Check this out. We're gonna try to hit this next. I was actually trying to do the rail the other day, and it's tough. I don't get how to like turn, carve, and hit a rail. So I don't know if we'll be able to do that. Hopefully the guys can pull up and show you how it's done. We're definitely gonna drop in right now to this rolling. Well, all the salt will be sprinkled on top. Hopefully it's nice and packed in, and try to do some tricks into the hubba. But first, we at least gotta like ride down and make it on top of the hubba. I'm depending on this salt to really justify how solid the snow is gonna feel. Feels all right. I haven't tested it. I packed it in yesterday and trying to see what it feels like now. I'm just gonna take it to the left and hopefully make it on top of the hubba, because the other day I was actually trying to get on top of the hubba. It wasn't working because I didn't have enough speed and the snow was too soft. There it is. And it's only gonna get better from here. Whoa. I still need more speed. I think if I just keep riding it, I just need to find that good pop to have enough speed to get on top of it so we can start doing tricks in. And I really want to see if I can manual down it, or at least bar to like slide or something, a board slide. I need a lot more speed. I want to do tricks onto the hubba, and I'm barely making it up. But every time I do go, it does get faster because you pack the snow in and you're actually smoothing it out every time you go. So we're gonna put some salt on here for now. See if this actually helps speed up the process. We'll ride the rest of the park in the meantime. Didn't even realize that I actually have a meeting to go to at 1 o'clock. It's not that I have to go anywhere, I just have to be home. And it's 12:23, which means I have a little more than 30 minutes to do this, do more tricks, and then get home, which is about a 15-minute drive. So we gotta speed this up. I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna probably come back another day, but here, my goal for today is to learn a new trick, and it's tough because the ramps are kind of small, but they're fun. And I think a double heel is gonna be possible. There is this good pop off this thing right here, this jump. Colors rubbing off on the side, getting that gnarliness. But I think double heel is possible. That's gonna be my trick of the day. If I do feel like I can get something else after that, we'll try. But for now, double heel and try to mark that one off. $12.28. I gotta leave in 10. Basically, the reason why I'm leaving is, first, I've been using this band on my right hand, and it's a workout band. It's called Whoop, and basically it's like a subscription that you pay for. Since we don't have the gym right now and we're working out at home like crazy, it actually monitors every single move that you make. Whether you're riding, whether you're working out, you're sleeping, it actually tells you everything, and not just what you're already doing, but it tells you what you need to do in order to progress with your health. And I actually have a meeting with them because there's potential of working together with them. Very important, very important. I love this thing. I would love to work for them. Let's see if we can make this work. Yes, we can leave. Okay, I gotta leave. Anybody in New York wants to come ride? There's a bunch of stuff built. Anybody in New York that wants to help build, bring a shovel, build some more stuff. I appreciate it. If you liked this video, like the video. Hope you enjoyed the quick session we had. Definitely coming back. Definitely gonna be using the snow scoop more often. Don't really have a choice because the snow, like I said, is not going anywhere. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know where I should bring the snow scooter next. If you have any ideas where you think like, hey, you could probably do this, or hey, it'd be fun to watch this, or hey, it'd be fun to do this, but I can't, but you could, shoot that comment, let me know. Appreciate every single one of you. As always, wish me luck in this meeting, and I'll see you guys in the next one.